Hey, what's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Welcome to Snap-on Wednesday. For those of you who are new to the channel or have just never seen Snap-on Wednesday before, I figured today, considering that we're upwards around 19,000 subs now, and I've never really explained what Snap-on Wednesday is. A while ago, I never ever thought it would turn out to be as big as it is. I've been really grateful for it actually being one of the biggest staples on my channel, and I thank everybody for sticking around and watching it every Wednesday. And sometimes I get well over 20,000, 30,000 views on a Snap-on Wednesday, so it's one of those things that's really humbling to me for people to watch. For those of you who are new to the channel, Snap-on Wednesday is one of those things where we go out to the truck and we look at some new tools most of the time. My Snap-on dealer Tyler is a super good Snap-on rep. One of those people who he's always on time, he's always here on a Wednesday afternoon, and it's one of those things that makes a Snap-on dealer a good one. And he's just one of those all-around good people, and he's good to chat with, and he's good with the camera in his truck and all that kind of stuff. So I thank you to Tyler Ross, my dealer, for every Wednesday letting me do this. So without any further ado, let's go out to the truck and see if there's any new tools, and then we'll go in and we will review whatever, well, kind of go over whatever I purchased today or anything like that. So also a special intro song today by our very own Jesse, who works in the shop. So enjoy, guys.
Come and say hi to the YouTube communities.
You can say hi to the YouTube communities.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's always raining on Snap-on Wednesday for some strange fucking reason.
Aren't I supposed to bring the golden sunshine with me?
I know. That's a mighty fine hoodie you got there, Tyler. How can I acquire one of these hoodies?
I don't know, buy a set of pry bars.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Yes, I'm gonna let my Osmo do all the work today.
What size do you wear?
XL or large? Fuck, I don't know.
Yeah,
large
man.
or extra large, one of the two. What are you? You know what? Just go extra large. If it don't fit, I bring it back. Awesome.
Nice. You're gonna love these, dude. I fucking love these pry bars.
Yeah, I've been contemplating buying.
Procrastinating.
Yeah. But I mean, you just saw me struggling with that one rotor. I was like, ugh.
Oh my god.
If I had two pry bars.
It'd make it so much easier.
Now you do. Now you're set up.
There we go. We're good to go.
Squats with you, Hunter. You're in my office. My own little private sanctuary.
What's going on with you, Tyler? Everything going good?
Living the dream, bro.
Me too.
Next a little better every week.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
that's good.
Yep. Always a little better.
Yeah. Got
Busy.
good range now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I guess a lot of part of that is just getting used to being out and not having the brace on. I'm assuming, right?
No, the biggest challenge is the nerves settling down. That's where the pain came from, right?
Yeah.
Those two nerves being pinched.
Right.
And they take a long time for them to reset.
Right.
They remember being very angry. So even after they removed what was angering them,
Yeah.
you just barely touch them and they'll go from 0 to very angry.
Really?
So immediately after the operation, I still had that.
Yeah.
I'd just randomly, over time, the frequency of the occurrence, the duration of the occurrence, and the intensity of the pain has all decreased.
That's good.
Usually about every 2 weeks, I notice a difference. Oh, it's only once a day now. It used to be twice a day.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it only lasts 15 minutes now. It used to last half an hour. And it's every couple weeks is when it's enough that I notice. It's all good.
Good.
Slowly goes down.
Good. Good.
It will be nothing.
They say I'll be perfect come June, so.
And that thing's strong.
I do believe I have a number 3 or number 2.
Oh, yes, it was a number 2.
No, number 3 is one I didn't have. A 3-inch number 3.
It was a 2. Was it a 2-inch?
I thought I had the 2-inch number.
It might have been a number 3. Oh yeah, that's right too. Yes.
Almost like I knew what I was talking about. I forget, but the computer doesn't.
Yeah.
So you get a broken one of those. I'll show you.
Wonderful. Yes. Yeah, I'll give that to you. Awesome. Hunter, how's it going?
All right. Could be better. Could be worse.
Yeah.
When I pay down my bill, I'm getting a set of these little picks.
Yep. I like them. I bought mine like as a big set.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like it's in a pouch, and then I've since taken away the pouch, and then I got just the trays. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, the trays are nice because they keep everything like compact-ish.
Yeah, and in a shallow drawer, they just look good in there.
Yeah.
Jordan's not coming out to the truck, I guess.
I don't think so. Get one of these next time.
Yeah, I like mine. You get the, that's the one that just sticks to the thing. And then you can get this one. I'd get that one.
Oh, that's the one that. Oh no.
I have that on my truck.
Oh, okay. Isn't there the one that clips actually like into the
vent?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have that. I have.
One of those there too.
Yeah. Which one? That one. Looking.
Or somewheres. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, that one actually clipped into the vent.
Yeah. I bought mine all separately because they didn't have that whole thing at the time.
Love to look at these lights with the carbon fiber on them. It looks so nice.
Is that what you have? Or is this what
No,
Jesse has?
I've got this one.
That's what Jesse
Because
has.
this
Oh,
one's
yeah.
this one's 700 lumens. That's only 350.
Oh, okay.
This one kicks ass. I love this one. It's so bright. It is awesome. And it's aluminum. The entire housing's aluminum.
Oh, yeah. This is the one that everyone, like, runs over with their trucks and shit.
Yeah.
The aluminum project light.
Yeah.
They're awesome, man. You can light up a whole engine bay with them. It just doesn't care. Even, like, on half brightness, it's brighter than, like, all of them.
I have more lights than I can shake a stick at now. Do I need more? Probably.
Probably. You can never have too many lights.
No.
That's the thing.
That's pretty much it,
Yeah. Pay down my bill more. I'm getting these for my car. That will be happening.
Oh, yeah, you need to do your belt and stuff.
I need everything.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
But
All
I
the,
found with
cam seals and stuff.
I found with mine, actually, because I took the timing belt off just to see. The cams stayed perfectly straight. They didn't even move.
Did it? Yeah,
Yeah.
until you touch it.
Well, I did
You
touch it.
touch it, and then they go,
like
go
that.
boom. Like, oh shit.
I took both cams
How
with
did
my
it go?
hand and went like this.
Boom.
Boing! Oh no!
Boing.
Oh, that's depressing.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass when that happens.
Boards are really bad for that. Like
I worked for Acura for years. They were just horrible.
the Focus engines or whatever, those like EcoBoost 1.8s. Literally, they just go, blah, and it's just trying to get them reset. It's just annoying. It's just,
Blah.
I hate thinking about it.
Then I suggest that you don't think about it.
I try not to. It haunts me in my dreams.
Good advice. Good advice from the Snap-on rep.
Don't think about it and it won't bother you. I wish.
All right, well. I think that's all that's going on today.
Yeah, pretty much.
Probably get back in the shop. All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday. Let's see what I got off the truck. Well, you guys already saw it. So, I got the 4-piece pry bar set. My pry bar drawer has been hurting for so long. In fact, it's kind of embarrassing. I've never had really much for pry bars. I have one pry bar. It's an MAC. Yeah, that's code word for shit. But it's done me well this far. It's a longer one. I've only had one. Well, I had a lot a while ago, a long time ago when I first started in the trade. They were PT or performance tool. They weren't very performance. They didn't perform very well. Every time you drop them, the handles would smash. You performance tool owners would know what I'm talking about. So SBP S704AR for this bitch. Snap on Wednesdays, we don't really talk about prices. In fact, I don't even know what I paid for them. How about that, eh? Let's open them up though. Can't wait to put these in the drawer. Ah, come on. Open up. So these are the red-handled striking pry bars, and they come in a arrangement of sizes. And so yeah, I mean, everyone needs a fucking pry bar. I figured I might as well bite the bullet and just get them. Of course, my hands are a little bit greasy today. I got the Snap-on hoodie. So awesome. I'm gonna wear that tonight to the pub. Gonna do some Wednesday drinks. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. What else do I got going on right now? Actually, my Lordco Trade Show video is up on YouTube. It hasn't been posted yet. It will be posted probably Thursday or Friday. And I have shot my mail call video, and that will be arriving onto YouTube. I just have to do some last bit of editing, and then it'll be up and it'll be available for you guys probably really early next week or this weekend. So that's all I got for you guys today. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and all that fun stuff. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.